Okay, 2x72 belt grinder. Again, this is shop built out of mostly stuff I had laying around. That's a swamp cooler motor. Swamp cooler motor has 2 speeds, which came in handy. Built this wheel, this drive wheel for the belt out of some, I don't know what you call it, MDF or some wood. Layered it up, put it in a big circle, attached it with the pulley that was already on that swamp cooler motor. Again, longboard wheels to run the belt. So I got, I don't know, I got about 40 bucks into this job. 20 bucks was for the belt, 20 bucks was for the wheels. Got them on Amazon. I built the frame out of a workout bench, a weight bench. So I've got an adjuster here, keeps the belt tracking. I don't know if you can see that moving. Let's go ahead and take that belt off and I'll get right back to it. Okay, I've got the belt off. So I built this tensioner, or this alignment tool here. This is actually the tensioner as well. So I have a welded a bottom on that, and there's a spring in there. I don't know if we can see it. Nope, can't see it. It's in there. There's a belt spring in there. I'll get that out. Okay, I got the spring out. There's a spring. So basically, I've got that spring. Goes in there. In my belt alignment jobber. Goes in there. This rest. I use the knobs from the workout bench. Basically slides in there, so you can use it. You can use it with or without it. And then this platen, I want to say they call it. I have yet to make more attachments for it, but if I pull that way out of there. So the sanding belt runs against this. Obviously the wheels are there. Put the belt on, tighten it. So let me put the belt back on it, and we'll go from there. Okay, so the belt's back on. So I gotta turn it on, and you can align that belt with that alignment tool. Either way with it. And about there, looks good. So I wired it obviously with the switch, on-off switch. The swamp cooler motor came with 2 speeds, so I wired the 2 speeds into it. High speed, low speed. Cool. And I have this work rest wheel sliding here. That bad boy in there. Tighten it up. It doesn't want to come out. Good. So I've seen other belt grinders that articulate. So if I wanted to, I can actually put it on a pivot so I can just turn it sideways. Again, I haven't made another rest, so I need to make another horizontal rest. So I can have it go the other direction as well. 2x2 belt grinder, shop built.